What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys have been well. In today's video we're going to be getting the car tuned at TDC Performance. I know it's a 1.4, I know it's never going to be fast. I'm honestly just doing it because I've always wanted to do it, and also because I want to see what the results are going to be, and hopefully from this video you guys can make your own decision about whether it is worth it or not. I'll be able to hear my car from the outside for the first time, which is also probably gonna be liquor. But now, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So yeah guys, we made it to TDC Performance. My car is in line behind this X3. He said he's gonna make to I don't know what he's doing. He's reading a file and doing a file, or I don't know what, but he's doing dyno things. And yeah, hopefully my car makes alright-ish power for what it is. I'm not expecting a lot, I'm not expecting much, but it is gonna be without pops and bangs. Sorry for those of you who like pops and bangs, but I don't like them. But yeah, stay tuned for the dyno run. What's that? Exhaust?
The floor.
The floor.
Aaron, can we try and jack up the sides and then strap down and see if we can get the subframe to come off the dyno?
So they're busy checking the car up because it's sitting on the dyno, the subframe. So yeah, hopefully this helps. happy with it.
It's not hectic.
No. I'm happy with it.
So it's activated by a little bit by seeing a slight percentage of throttle.
Okay.
So at least now if you do want to do that,
I can.
you can. If you don't want to, drive normal and it won't do it.
I'm happy with it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's tune. Sorry I don't have a chest mount or anything for the GoPro. That's it. But the first run was 60 kilowatt, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Stock is 55, so 60. That's 5 kilowatt. And then the final dyno number was 67.5 kilowatt. Yeah. So 7 over what it had this morning. So in total, that is. So in total it has 12 kilowatt overstock, but otherwise, yeah. Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. But yeah, I'm done. I'm on the way home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying to the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the tune, and let me know what you think of how the car sounds. I really do appreciate all the comments and the likes and the people viewing the videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. It is festive, so guys, be safe out there, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.